After graduating, I just kept making work. I kept recording, making videos. And it took me a while to really realize what it was that I was after in that time period. But I seemed to always have the camera with me. The exploration before had been in material, where now it was directed more at the world. Basically, I just looked around a lot. And when the time seemed right, I would record. One day I was driving around with my camera and spotted this sign. And on the sign was mentioned Go. So on a whim, I made a turn, pulled up the drive, climbed the mountain, reached the top, and come out. That's what I was doing. I told him that, I was a photographer. It's the easiest way to explain what it is that I do, and that I'd like to shoot some video, and that I was interested in cows, which I was. I was a little bit obsessed with cows at the time, the movement, the shape of them. I wanted to capture this, but I just told him, I wanted to take some pictures. Yeah, he was cool with that. So, took me out to the field and asked if I was interested in, taking a drive around and looking. And I jumped at it and they give him a truck, and he's going around talking about the man and the family and history. And then he's talking about how he got into farming and what that means for him. And then he says to me, if you want to learn how to farm, that all you need is a chair and time. That you take your chair out in the field early in the morning before the sun comes up, and you watch it come up, and you watch the grass, and you watch the cows. The grass follows the sun through the day, maturing at different rates, producing sugar, and the cows, they follow those grasses and clovers throughout the course of the day as they follow the sun. And watching these movements, the observation, this is how we come to know the relationship. I went back through the footage. And the funniest thing that happened was this one cow in particular. His bull, actually. He just came up and stared at me and the camera. There was no way I could be a passive observer at this point. My presence, my being there, thus affected the scene. I was part of the landscape.